Hello, this is Fepuri. In this video, we'll cover how to create an Intune dashboard. While organizing Intune policies, I discovered the existence of the Intune data warehouse and realized that it's possible to build BI dashboards using Power BI. Searching on YouTube, I found that connection methods have been available for quite some time. I think this is a great way to gain deeper insights into Intune. There are two primary ways you can connect Intune data warehouse with Power BI. In Power BI, select Get Data or Data Feed. Copy and paste the feed URL here. Select the organizational account, then enter your credentials and click Connect. You'll see all the available tables listed here. Just check them all and click Load to proceed. Looking through the tables, you can see that a wide range of Intune data has been pulled in. When you switch to the model view, you will notice that all the relationships have been set up automatically. Now we'll try connecting through the connector. First, open a new blank report and close the current BI report. Get data, and then more, and then online service, Intune data warehouse. Select tables and click Load. The connector brings in more tables, but the key data is similar. OData feed allows you to run custom queries through advanced query, while the connector lets you specify the reporting period. Most of the Intune dashboards you will come across online are templates available on Github, and I've included the link in the description below. If you're building a dashboard for the first time, I suggest starting with one of these templates and then tweaking it step by step. It'd be nice if we could use this template right away, but if your local settings don't match, like mine, you might see some errors. Of course, you could adjust the local settings, but in this video, we'll take a different approach by copying the template and modifying the relationships. Here, the source template is on the left, and the Intune dashboard we are going to create is on the right. Add a new page just like in the template on the left. On the template page, select everything with Ctrl A, copy with Ctrl C, and then paste it into the right page using Ctrl V. On the because the structures may not match, you might see some errors. Just adjust the structures to make sure everything lines up. On the app page, the error in the top right corner appears because the custom visual used in the template isn't installed in the SVI file. As shown on the screen, the object is a text filter. To fix this, click More Visuals and install the visual. Once you reload the page, you will notice the problem is fixed. On the device page, the problem happens because the tables and relationships aren't aligned with the template. Now go to the model view page so we can check and compare the relationships. As you can see, the number of relationships doesn't match. Next, click Manage Relationships from the top menu so we can compare the two. When you spot differences, click Edit on the template side, and on the right, click New Relationship to recreate it. Make sure the tables match and create the relationships. If you notice differences in attributes, like active versus inactive, update them to match. Now the BI template has been applied successfully. If your organization has many devices managed in Intune, this dashboard can give you some really valuable insights. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.